Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best ultimate packing cubes that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a long-haul adventure, these packing cubes will help you stay organized and maximize suitcase space. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the GForce 6-piece Ultimate Traveling Set. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers solid performance, this set is worth considering. It includes 3 packing cubes and 3 pouches in small, medium, and large sizes. Made from lightweight, water-resistant, and tear-resistant ripstop material, these cubes are durable and long-lasting. They're designed to make packing stress-free and help you maximize suitcase space by keeping your essentials organized. The design is simple yet effective, with a no-frills approach that prioritizes functionality. The material is sturdy enough to withstand regular use, though it may lack the luxurious feel of higher-end models. Performance-wise, the cubes are easy to use, helping to streamline packing and unpacking. However, the lack of compression features means they won't save as much space as some other options on this list. The GForce set shines as a budget option, ideal for occasional travelers or anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of packing cubes without a big investment. On the downside, the absence of advanced features like compression zippers or mesh panels limits its versatility. But for $15.75, it's hard to beat the value for money. Pros include affordability, lightweight material, and decent durability. Cons are the lack of compression functionality and a somewhat basic design. Coming in at number 4 is the Biaggi Ultimate Compression Zip Cube Set of 2. This set is perfect for travelers who value compression features and need an expandable, space-saving solution. Each cube is equipped with a secondary zipper that compresses and flattens the contents, similar to a vacuum sealer, allowing you to pack more efficiently. The cubes are lightweight and designed to fit seamlessly into most suitcases, making them a great choice for both men and women. The design and build quality are where the Biaggi cubes truly excel. The expandable feature adds flexibility, while the sturdy construction ensures longevity. The compression zippers work smoothly, but users have noted that careful packing is essential to prevent the zipper from catching fabric. Performance-wise, these cubes are fantastic for reducing bulk and keeping clothes wrinkle-free during transit. They're especially useful for longer trips where maximizing suitcase space is crucial. While the Biaggi set delivers premium functionality, the fact that the price isn't readily available makes it harder to assess its overall value. This set is ideal for travelers who prioritize compression and want a high-quality, easy-to-use solution. The pros include expandable compression, durable construction, and lightweight design. Cons include a potentially tricky zipper mechanism and the lack of price transparency. At number 3, we have the BAGSMART 6-set compression packing cubes. This set is all about maximizing suitcase space without compromising on durability. Each cube features a dual-zip compression system that flattens the contents and saves space, making it a great choice for travelers who tend to overpack. The lightweight design, combined with durable materials, ensures these cubes will withstand wear and tear during regular use. The BAGSMART cubes excel in design and build quality. The durable fabric resists stains and spills, while the compression zippers glide effortlessly for smooth operation. The set includes a variety of sizes, making it easy to separate and organize items like clothing, shoes, and accessories. From family vacations to business trips, these cubes are versatile and user-friendly. Performance-wise, they deliver on their promise of space-saving efficiency without adding unnecessary weight to your luggage. Priced at $33.99, the BAGSMART cubes fall into the higher end of the spectrum, but the value is evident in their thoughtful design and excellent functionality. They're ideal for frequent travelers who need durable, space-saving cubes that can handle heavy use. Pros include compression features, lightweight build, and durable materials. Cons are the higher price point and slightly heavier weight compared to some competitors. And finally, claiming the number 1 spot is the BAGAIL 8-set packing cubes in cream. This set is the ultimate choice for travelers who demand both quality and versatility. With 8 pieces included, you get packing cubes of various sizes to handle everything from large clothing items to small accessories. The premium polyester fabric is lightweight yet durable, resisting wrinkles, stains, and tears. The double-way zippers ensure smooth operation, while the mesh top panels improve ventilation and help you quickly identify your clothes. What sets this product apart is its combination of thoughtful design and superior performance. The cubes are incredibly lightweight, making them easy to carry, while the water-repellent feature adds a layer of protection for your belongings. They're perfect for all kinds of travel, from business trips to family vacations and even camping adventures. Performance-wise, they excel at keeping clothes organized and maximizing suitcase space, saving you time and effort. Priced at $26.06, the BAGAIL 8 set offers fantastic value for money, especially considering the number of pieces and features included. It's the ideal option for frequent travelers who want a comprehensive solution to packing challenges. Pros include premium fabric, lightweight design, and exceptional versatility. Cons are minimal, though the cream color may show dirt more easily over time. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.